Yeah, good evening, Sudhaji.
Hi.
Good evening, Mr. Salim. Also, as a president of the JIG workers who do this, I empathize with them. There's no doubt about it. We are all human beings, and any livelihood which is lost, we have to be with them. But it is a catch-22 situation for the government, from the government point of view. On one side, we have auto rickshaws, which are yellow boards. Okay, they pay taxes. Their problem is while we pay all the taxes, now, when these people come, they are white boards. They are not yellow boards. They are not commercial vehicle. The people who are not owning commercial vehicles are doing commercial business is their point of view. Okay, the auto rickshaws point of view. And now our point of view as a responsible government, we need to do justice for the auto rickshaws also, who are also in huge numbers, and they have been giving service for up to years for nearly 5, 6 decades. So it is a catch-22 situation for us. We need to bring something, so that it's a win-win situation for all three. That means the auto riders, the bike riders. We also, as you all know, we brought the gig laws also. Our labor minister has brought. We are trying to make gig workers, we are going to give so many government facilities to them, insurance policies, etc. But this is
Government
a situation.
considering, is the government close the chapter, close the doors, or are they considering that they will work something? Is Ramlinga Reddy doing something about it?
I think, see, whatever you have put there, that government at present is not having any policy, is a reply of the government to the High Court when there was a hearing. Because as of now, we don't have anything. As of today, we don't have anything. But as Mr. Salim said, and you also said that so many lakhs of people are using this service. At least 50,000, 30,000, 40,000 people's livelihood is at risk. And people also feel that this is one form of public transport for them. I think government should sit down now, put their mind in it, and prepare a bill which is a win-win situation for both the auto rickshaws, the gig workers, in this case, the all the bike taxis, as well as public at large. Is my point of view, Sudha. It should be a win-win situation because those bike taxis also are our own people. What the High Court has said is, High Court is not banning them. They said, put a proper policy for them. Now the government of Karnataka should put their head and form a policy, whereas these people also survive, the auto rickshaws also survive, and public at large have another option other than auto and public transport. Is my point of view. This is my personal point of view.
There you have a Congress spokesperson, says it's his personal opinion, but he said it and I have hope. Mohammed Salim. But this is so,
See, most
6 months, you don't take so long because this is a double whammy, no? It impacts Mohammed Salim. It also impacts me because I take bike taxi maybe to go to the close by clinic. So look at it. It is the people of Karnataka who are suffering, Mohammed Salim.
bike
Yeah,
taxis.
that is what I wanted to ask the son.
Satya Prakash, go
Okay,
ahead.
sir. Okay, sorry.
See, Salim, the point is, how can we allow a whiteboard to do commercial activity is a problem in the Motor Vehicle Act. It's very clear. We need to understand there is a problem. Okay. So now,
Okay.
since the High Court is very clear that the ban is in place, earlier there were confusions whether whiteboard can do this job. Now it is very clear that if you want to do this job, you have to come under the commercial sector, correct? So allow the government.
Yes.
I think now government will. If what you are saying is true that there are 1.5 lakh workers, and one more thing is, not all the bike taxis just do bike taxi job. They also do the courier job of all these things. Small parcels which go in. So their
Yes,
livelihood
sir. Yes, sir. I also
suddenly
do
will
it.
not
I
stop.
also do it.
Yeah, the livelihood will suddenly
The
not
thing,
stop. I think there is no ban
it
from
has,
HC or the government to stop ferrying articles. Okay, the ban is right now on commercial ridership on bike taxis, not for your goods. Suppose I want to send one packet from here to Yelahanka. Even now, there is no ban. Is my feeling. Okay, so allow the government, give them some time. I request your association to go and meet the transport minister and the chief minister also. Please put your points. I'm sure my government will be very empathetic and sympathetic towards 1 lakh people who are gig workers, and we will look at it. I'll assure you, Mohammed Ji, that the government will be sympathetic. Give them some time. We will look how we can take this forward.
Prakash,
A
but
win-win
then-
situation for you, the auto wallahs, and the people of Karnataka is all I can say.
You know, a lot of people actually